Hey there, y'all. It's Melanie Ferguson with Southern Crush at Home, where I hope to inspire you to create and decorate a home that you love using just about everything that you have around the house. So that's never been more true than this project that I'm trying to bring you guys for tonight. As you hop on, say hey, let me know where you're watching from. This is going to be so much fun. I know a ton of you guys are homebound right now, so I'm hoping this week to be able to bring you all a lot of projects that you can do either with your kids or with your grandkids, or even if it's just for you for fun. So hey, as you hop on, say hey. I am in East Texas right now, and so I am making do. I have like a weird background, and I am literally winging it here, guys, but I found like a little area that I could sneak into and share this with you guys. I have been dying to share this with y'all. So as you hop on, let me know what you're doing if you're stuck at home. Hey, Jeannie Beanie. Hey, Michelle and Stephanie. How are you? Oh, thank you. I can't read all the comments because I have you guys up on a little shelf, just so you can see, So this is probably going to be hands down one of the fastest, easiest projects you've ever done, okay? And I wanted it to be super easy. So I think that you're going to find it actually a little bit funny because I think it's funny. So I'm going to show you guys. We are literally dealing with, hold on. They're so loud. I can't talk over them. But anyway, we're going to be using toilet paper rolls. Y'all, I'm just going to guess. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that I'm thinking that even if you don't have any empty toilet paper rolls right now, that you will have some before the week is over. And you will be able to do this silly, easy, fun craft once the week is over. You'll have some empty toilet paper rolls, right? So if you have some of these on hand, give me some love, give me some hearts, let me know. If you know where you can get some empty toilet paper rolls, let me know, because we are literally, hold on, it's backwards for me. Oh my gosh, we are literally going to be using toilet paper rolls, all right? So I have, okay, you guys do this. Y'all are super good at doing this for me. Let me think. Let's see. Don't forget to sign up for Crafting on a Dime, guys. That is coming really, really soon, and there are super duper perks for being on the wait list. In fact, I think a lot of people posted in the club pictures of themselves with the Starbucks that I gave away. So you want to get on that list for sure. And that's craftingonadime.com. All right. So apart from that, we are going to use, I don't know how many of you guys were with me when I went and got this from the thrift store, but this is an amazing collection of just washi tape, guys. Just washi tape. But my favorite part about the washi tape is that there's some for every single holiday. So we've got New Year's, we've got birthday, we've got fall, we've got Easter, which is what we're going to use. We've got Valentine's, 4th of July, Halloween, Christmas, and just lots of Christmas ones. It is so, I love washi tape. Give me some love if you love washi tape. Yes. Oh my goodness. Hey, Vicky, how are you? Yes. Okay. Yes. If they don't have toilet paper rolls, good point. You can take paper towel rolls and you can cut them. So she's exactly right. But I did have a toilet paper roll. I did. I had to get this one. All right. So we're going to take it. You just decide. Listen, I'm going to tell you what we're making. We are making napkin rings. Okay. We're making cute little napkin rings. They can either go for a, grown-up table. I'm just cutting this. Nothing special. Oh, hello. Except apparently you don't want to go more than once. You want to try to make the cut one time. So you can make this for the grown-up table or the kid table for Easter. I think it would be super cute for the kid table for Easter. and then you can have fun with it. And then the kids can decorate these too and just have fun with it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the second one, and I'm going in about, I'd say, a 1/2 inch. So I'm gonna go in about a 1/2 inch. Can you guys see? I can't tell what I'm doing. I'm so out of my element, guys. Thank you so much for sharing the love. Hey, Melanie from Melanie. All right, so I'm gonna do a set of 4. All right, so here is the next one. And then I'll show you something at the end with this last little piece. I'm gonna do 3. I'm just gonna do 3 for now for fun. And I gotta hop off here, so I'm gonna do this pretty quickly. All right, so let me move this out of the way. I'm gonna pick some washi tape that goes with Easter because I'm just excited and I know that it is coming up around the corner. I liked this one. This one actually has really pretty flowers. I'm gonna try to give you some light. I have this little ring light here to show you. So this one has some really pretty flowers on it. I thought that would be pretty and kind of a little bit neutral. And then I had this one. This one has eggs on it all the way around. How cute is this one with the little Easter eggs all over it? I hope you can see it. I'm probably not doing it justice by putting the light on it. All right, so, oh, thank you so much, Janet. You're so sweet. And then this one is really cute, but I don't know if it's gonna show up. It says Happy Easter, and then it has a bunny. It says Happy Easter, and then it has a bunny. And I think that you can get this entire pack of washi tape on Amazon. I think they sell it on Amazon, so there is that. This is also really, really cute. I could use this. This is just like some polka dots, but they're a little more red than they are pink. And I'm really, really digging the pink. So we're probably gonna go with the pink, but I did wanna show you for fun. It's cause this is getting like, this is this week. There is some shamrock washi tape, guys. We could have so much fun with the shamrock washi tape. I'm gonna put the washi tape aside because it's a little distracting. All right, then we're gonna take our 2 washi tapes that I'm just gonna go with these, okay? These 2 are gonna make up our napkin rings, all right? And these are just for fun. These are just for fun. So it's more important for me to get the whole shape on the ring. So I'm gonna start with the shaped washi tape. That's a mouthful, right? Shaped washi tape. And now you can paint these, and that would be like a great way to set them off and make it a little bit more, I don't know, make it a little bit more neat. But I am just going with them and the color that they are. And it looks like I cut them. So listen, guys, use me as the guinea pig. You will want to paint these because I did not get the measurement exactly right. And so these are off by a little bit. And I'm just using the washi tape, putting it around the middle. I wanted to make it 2 layers. Maybe I could do it on the other one. All right, so this is where we're at. This is the cute little Easter. Now see, like if I would have painted that white first, that probably would have looked better because it would be white underneath, and you could paint it inside too, but I don't know that I'd bother painting it inside. So here's the napkin ring. You can kind of see how cute that is. And imagine my toilet paper roll being painted white, guys. You know I am making do because I am not at home. I am not where I normally would be. So I'm trying to give you some light, and that's not helpful, but you get the drift. You get the drift. Oh, thank you, Marla. I love these 2 too. You can buy them at any craft store. You can get them at Hobby Lobby, Michael's. You can get it at Walmart. You can get washi tape at Dollar Tree, guys. Now, I think it might be the skinnier kind, but it still can work. Okay, I'm gonna cut another one off of this just to try to make it a little thicker so that I can get both of the washi tapes on there. So I want it to be this thick because this is where I was going with this. It looks like it's almost the whole thing. It is. It's the whole thing, guys. So I'm going to do this roll with both. And that's the look I was going for. Thank y'all for letting me do trial and error with y'all sometimes. It's very, very helpful. But I am going to start with the eggs. I'm going to start with the eggs so that we get the solid pattern on there first. If I can find the starting part. I've lost the starting part because it's tape, guys. And tape is just, woo. And oh, here we go. I feel it. I feel it. It looks great. Yes, it does match shabby chic burlap. You're exactly right, Angie. Okay, I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to place the washi tape. I'm going to start it like right here. And it looks like I have to keep it close to me just so I can keep it straight. So I'm sorry. As soon as I have it wrapped around, I will show you. And if it's something like this with shapes, you want to make sure that like the last one lines up. So I'm going to cut it for a fresh egg on the one side. I'll show you what I mean. I covered it right there. There was a green egg halfway underneath, and then I covered it. So let me get the pretty washi tape, the floral one, and see what that looks like on the bottom half. So listen, if you had colored washi tape like gold or silver, I think those would be pretty too. Okay, so on this one, and you could also, guys, just trim this to fit. So I'm gonna put this on the bottom half of the ring, trying to keep it straight and in line. It might even look good like overlapping each other, but for now, I'm just gonna do this. And the toilet paper rolls are very forgiving, so you will be glad to know that. Okay, and I'm going to trim it right there. I trimmed it right there. And here is the second choice of ideas. I think it's pretty cute. Thank you for sprinkling. Hey, Barbara. Yes. Okay, so you see how there's a little bit showing down here? I would probably just pinch it flat and then trim it up. So I trimmed up that piece that was at the bottom, and now it's even all the way around. How fun for the kids' table for Easter. Okay, I'm gonna put this around the napkin. This light is blinding me. All right, so here's the napkin and here's the washi tape napkin ring. How cute is that, y'all? Let me spin it around. How about that? How about that? Give me some hearts if you think this is super easy, super fun, great for you guys to do while you're trapped inside with the kids. They can totally make these and you can decorate their table with them. I think it will be super fun, super cute. So here was the other one. You can even make it like layers of rings. Look at this, y'all. We're just like having fun, doing it however we want. Look at that. What about stacks? What about the 3 layers? That's kind of fun. What do you think? I'll probably spin it around so that the 2 egg sections aren't matching exactly. So, what do you think? Give me some hearts if you like that. I want to show you one more idea with the napkin rings. So if you have these, you can take them and cut them like this, and then you can use them. Let me see here. Sorry, this one's a little bit. Okay. Cut them in the circle, and then pinch them down to be the shape of a heart. So we're getting to the shape of a heart. And then what I want you to do is pinch it like that. And then maybe it'll stay like that, maybe it won't. Whoa! And I want you to make 3 of these. Let me see if I can do it. I didn't bring I have another paper towel thing, but I didn't bring it in here. So I'm gonna have to use this washi tape one real quick. It won't be a big deal. I can just do it and show you. I just want you to get the idea. Okay, and then here's the third one. Here is the last one. We are going to make this. Then you put them all together and you have a shamrock, guys. You have a shamrock. I feel like a magician. You have a shamrock, and then you can put like a little stem in the bottom, and you can use this shamrock, dab it into a paper plate with green paint, and use it as a stamp and make shamrock projects. You can make shamrock banners. You can make shamrock canvases. You can make anything and everything shamrock. What do you guys think? Give me some hearts for the shamrock. I absolutely adore this. And I probably will go back and make something with this just so you guys can see what I'm talking about and get some good ideas. All right, so if you don't currently have toilet paper rolls, make some this week, all right? Get yourself finished with a toilet paper roll and get you the actual cardboard part and make some cute DIYs like these napkin rings, guys, like these napkin rings. All right, I hope you guys have an amazing Sunday evening relaxing with family. Be sure to go to craftingonadime.com and check it out. And for those of you who are my friends on here who have businesses, I did post today about reopening my coaching group just as a courtesy for those who are trapped inside and really want to use this time to grow their business. So I appreciate you guys, and I hope you all have an amazing Sunday. Bye.